Alright, this video for 1HT about the beginning of the diagnostic test. Today we're going to do exercise 1, 2, 3, also 5 and 9. The exercises are in Magister. But I thought I would select a few and explain them to you. So I selected a few from 1, 1 from 2 and 2 from 3. Just to show you again how these work. And the other answers I'm going to email you so you can check the rest also. I'm going to start with exercise 1, and one thing that you notice here is that they are very similar. They use the same numbers and the same letters, but here there's a times and here there's not. So let's see what the difference is. According to the order of operations, first you have to do times. So we're going to calculate 5x times minus 2y. If you do that, you get minus 10, because 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. xy, because we have an x and a y. Then here we have minus 3y times minus 5x. So negative times negative is going to be positive, right, like that. And then 3 times 5 is 15, so 15xy. Now the letters are the same, so now we can add it. So minus 10 plus 15 is 5xy. And that's the answer for 1C. 1D, here we don't have times, so we can just immediately do plus and minus from the left to the right. So here I see 5x. This is y, so we can't do anything with it. Also, we can't do something with this, but here we also have x. So 5x minus 5x. So please remember that the thing in front of it always belongs with the number after it. So it's 5x minus 5x. So it's going to be 0x, so we have no x anymore. So you can write down 0x if you'd like, but you don't have to. So I'm not going to write it down. And then we have minus 2y minus 3y, so that's going to be minus 5y. And that's the answer then. The answer is minus 5y. Moving on to exercise 2c. Here we have to work out some brackets, and then after that simplify it some more. So if you want to work out brackets, then you have to do 2 times 6x and 2 times y, and also 5 times 2x and 5 times 3y. Let's see what you get. 2 times 6x is 12x. 2 times y is 2y. And over here, 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times 3y is 15y. So this is how you work out the brackets. And we were very lucky that there are no minuses here. But I'm going to show you over here what happens if you do have some minuses, right? Okay, so now we're going to add everything that has the same letter. So 12x plus 10x is 22x, and then 2y plus 15y is 17y. So this is the answer for 2c. And then we're going to move on to exercise 3. I selected G and E. I'm going to do G first, so a bit of a weird order. I don't know if you mind. Here we see brackets and also just something with times. But if you think of the order of operations, first we have to do brackets. So we're going to do minus 3 times p, that's minus 3p. And then we're going to do minus 3 times minus q, so that's plus 3q. Then we're going to multiply this. 5q times minus 3, well, positive times negative is negative. And 3 times 5 is 15, so this is what we have. We have minus 15q. Now we're going to simplify that. Here we have minus 3p and nothing else with p, so we can't do something with it. So I just write down minus 3p. And then 3q minus 15q becomes minus 12q. So that's the answer. 3p minus 12q. Moving on to the last exercise of this video, exercise E. I want to show you this one because there's something annoying over here, and that's here. It says 18 minus and then something in brackets. So there is no number here. Well, if there is no number, there's actually a 1. So we're going to do minus 1 times a and minus 1 times minus 12. This is what you get. Minus 1 times a is minus a. Minus 1 times minus 12 is plus 12. We can add the 18 and the 12, so the answer is 30 minus a. Okay. Now, if there's something missing in this video, like another exercise that you want to have an explanation about, then please send me a message and I'll make a video for you. This is the explanation that I selected to do for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.